day. The place is in need of so much love and TLC, but for now, I'm going to clean the ceilings, the walls, and the floor before my team gets here, with the help of my amazing husband and some awesome tradies, of course. The place is about as clean as I am going to get it, and it is perfectly safe. Now it is time for the next step. It's really happening. We're moving out of our old office and bringing it all to the new space today. I'm actually a little emotional. I won't miss the stairs though. Goodbye old office and on to the new. It is so exciting. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see my latest design and reno inspiration. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official or click the link in my description. See you soon.